The Victron MultiPlus inverter is a powerful and compact inverter, but unfortunately it produces a high noise level when the fan is active. This video shows how the inverter can be converted with a quiet fan and how the fan performance and availability can be improved. Please note that work on the open device should only be carried out by qualified personnel. Before opening the device, it is essential to remove all direct and alternating current voltage sources. Unfortunately, the integrated fan has its own resonance in the speed range, which is further amplified by the housing, resulting in a noticeable rotating noise when the fan is in operation. In order to replace the fan, the inverter must be opened. To do this, loosen the 4 fastening screws on the blue cover on the back of the device and remove the housing. The fan is located in the middle of the device, above the power electronics and below the ring transformer. The 12-volt power supply for the fan is located above the fan. The fan is secured with 4 screws that need to be removed. In order to be able to loosen the lower screws, the transformer ring must be removed. The transformer ring can be loosened with 2 screws on the bottom. When loosening, ensure that the transformer casing is not damaged. Note the order of the fastening rings and washers to the transformer. The fan removed is a 12-volt 220 mA fan, and this is replaced with 2 new fans, 12-volt 80 mA and 12-volt 130 mA. In the future, both fans will be controlled and monitored with an HW585 module. You can find the link to all components in the video description below. When installing new fans, the direction of flow of the fan must be taken into account. The narrow 10 mm fan is placed in the same place as the old fan. After it has been installed, the ring transformer can be reattached. This fan pulls the warm air from the power electronics and blows it against the transformer. With the previous cooling concept, only a small airflow could be detected at the top ventilation outlet. To improve this airflow, a second fan is attached directly to the outlet grill with a cable tie. This sucks in the air in the upper part of the device and blows it outwards. The HW585 control and monitoring module can be placed to the right of the transformer. The temperature sensor is attached to the transformer. The fan control module is connected to the previous fan power supply. The correct polarity must be observed here. Fan 1 of the control module is speed regulated and is connected to the upper fan. The lower fan is connected to fan 2. Dip switches 1 and 2 are set to off and on so that the upper fan starts at 50 degrees Celsius and reaches its maximum speed at 70 degrees Celsius. Dip switches 4 and 5 are turned on so that an alarm occurs if a fan does not rotate. The speed of the lower fan can be set to maximum speed using the associated fan 2 potentiometer. This adjustment with quiet fans significantly improves the fan noise, increases the availability of cooling due to the 2 fans, and improves the airflow through the device with the placement of the second fan. Fan monitoring enables quick detection of a fan failure. Overall, there are many advantages that I have been using successfully for the last 12 months. Write me your experiences with the conversion in the comments.